welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia. Let's start the video. Learning English fluently does not require expensive courses or living in an English speaking country. What you really need is a clear daily practice system and the right mindset. Many learners fail because they study English only sometimes, not every day. Fluency comes from daily use, not from memorizing grammar rules. In this video, I will show you how to practice English daily and become fluent fast using simple and practical method. First, understand one important truth. English is a skill, not a subject. You cannot learn a skill only by reading books. You must practice it again and again, just like driving or swimming. English improves when you use it daily. Even 30 minutes every day is better than studying for 5 hours once a week. Consistency is the key to fluency. The best way to start daily English practice is by listening. Listening trains your brain to understand natural English. Watch English videos, podcasts, or TV show every day. Choose content that matches your level. If you are a beginner, start with slow and clear English. If you are intermediate, watch normal conversation. At first, use subtitles but slowly. Try to listen without them. Your ears will adapt over time. Next, practice speaking every day, even if you are alone. Many people say, I don't have anyone to speak English with. That is not an excuse. You can speak English by talking to yourself. Describe what you are doing. Talk about your day. Share your opinion out loud. This may feel strange at first, but it is extremely powerful. Speaking daily removes fear and builds confidence. Another effective method is shadowing. Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating immediately after them. Choose a short video or audio clip. Listen to one sentence and repeat it with the same speed, tone, and pronunciation. This improves your accent, rhythm, and fluency. Do this for 10 minutes every day and you will see big improvement. Vocabulary is also important, but do not try to memorize long word lists. Instead, learn words in context. When you hear a new word, write it down with the full sentence. For example, instead of learning the word is opportunity alone, learn it in a sentence like, this job is a great opportunity for me. This helps your brain remember the word naturally. Reading is another daily habit you should develop. Read simple English articles, short stories, or news. Reading improves vocabulary, grammar, and sentence structure at the same time. Do not stop to translate every word. Try to understand the main idea. If a word appears many times, then check its meaning. This is how native speakers learn too. Writing is often ignored, but it is very useful. Write a short paragraph every day. You can write about your day, your goal, or your thoughts. Do not worry about mistakes. The goal is expression, not perfection. Over time, your writing will become clearer and your speaking will also improve because both skills are connected. Many learners are afraid of making mistakes. This fear stops progress. Remember, mistakes are a natural part of learning. Native speakers also make mistakes. Fluency does not mean perfect English. Fluency means you can communicate your ideas clearly. So speak without fears. Every mistake is a lesson. Another powerful tip is to think in English. Stop translating from your native language. Start with simple thoughts like I am hungry or I need to go to work. Gradually, your brain will start forming English sentences automatically. This is a major step toward fluency. Create a daily English routine. For example, listen for 10 minutes, speak for 10 minutes, and read or write for 10 minutes. This 30 minutes routine can change your English completely. If you do it every day, you do not need motivation every day. You need discipline. Technology can also help you. Use language app, record your voice and listen to yourself. Compare your pronunciation with native speakers, join online communities, or comment in English on social media. Small action create big result. Finally, be patient with yourself. Fluency does not come overnight, but if you practice English daily, you will see progress every week. Celebrate small improvement. Enjoy the process. English is not just a language, it is a tool that opens doors to new opportunities, better jobs, and global connections. If you stay consistent, practice daily, and use English in real life, fluency will come faster than you think. Start today, speak today, and never stop practicing. Thanks for watching.